So I didn't trade yesterday. As you can see, the balance is stay the same, 4650. We have 3% left till the drawdown, and if that happens, then we will buy a new account as per planned, a FI account. If you don't know what I am talking about, you can watch my video about the plan of 2026. Okay, let's get with the analysis. GBP, it can make a inverted hammer. It can come around its opening price, so we are bearish. For our these were strong candles. The current candle has no wick, so yeah, this can come back to its opening price. Okay, so the seller strength is there. The buyer strengths were there, but then it made a sideways. It should have gone upside after holding for 3 hours, but then it gave a breakdown. Then this big wick, there must be a news, but fine. And it held for one candle, and now it should continue for the downside. Looking good. It's sideways, so we have a good range that we can trade from. The current candle, yeah, looking good. This was a wick, looking like it's gonna go up. It swept. Now it's going down again. Very good. We have a 5 minute order block which it has tested. If it were our session, then we would have entered in 1 minute over here, but because it's not, then we have this important level. Breakdown here we can trade, or we don't need a very big 3 minute breakout structure is good enough. I prefer to enter over here, but this is not a session. Otherwise, a good entry is 1 minute breakout structure. This is a FEG. So retest of this FEG and breakdown is good enough. You can see the seller strength, this big candles, but the buyers are not very active. So it is a bearish for GBP. And what we want is, I'm good with 1 minute breakout structure when the session opens, 1 or 3 minute breakout structure. Or if it manipulates this highs, then also it's looking very good. 5 minute breakout structure, 5 minute order block. Okay, 3 minute breakout structure or 1 minute breakout structure, and we will enter in GBP. Okay, this is different. Like GBP is bearish, but Euro is bullish, and it is very strongly bullish. Okay, the current candle 4 hour, this has a very big wick, but overall trend is bullish. This is a very steep move, so we can expect a correction. Okay, 1 hour is holding sideways. If it gives a breakdown, that's when the trend will change. Half an hour. Okay, this was a strong candle. There must be news, but fine. So in 15 minutes, it has given a breakout structure for the downside. Overall, you can see from here till here, it has been going up with higher highs and higher lows. But over here, it gave a breakdown over here, meaning the change in trend, and then it swept. Those who have not traded in the without the session, then they might have got stopped out. If they would have entered in this breakdown, this is a very good breakdown candle, very strong. People would have entered over here, but because it's not a session, so they got swept. And good, we have a 15-minute zone. Do we have a, okay, good. We need, this is an important level, so we need a breakdown over below this level. So 5 minute breakout structure from this level, and we can trade euro, but it is against the trend, so I might not go full quantity, half quantity. 5 minute breakout structure. If the 5 minute breakout, no, it won't happen. 5 minute breakout structure, and we will go half quantity in euro. Okay, so it is sideways, wicks both sides, so not looking good. Overall, you can see this. This is a very good pattern. This is, so this, it gave a zone breakout, cup and handle. Not exactly cup and handle, but yeah. So we can expect a target upside same from this level to this level. So yeah, in daily there is a big target for the upside, which is still pending. It is retest of this zone, so it can, in next week it can continue for the higher sides. But we only care about high intraday. Positional traders can look for buys for targets which I just marked. 4 hour, it is bearish. It was bullish. This can be a retracement, 50% of this trend. Yeah, 62 point level, and now it can continue for the higher side. Okay, this is not overall, it is for the day, it is bearish to sideways. Yesterday it is still in this range. From yesterday it did give a breakout, but then it failed and came back, and right now it's not looking good. It is going sideways, so if I had to, then I would have looked for sells, but I would not trade GBP, JPY right now. If this is low probability, otherwise one can trade this zone. A zone breakout breakdown is okay. So it It swept these lows. It can continue for the higher side, but I won't trade. If I had to, then I will mark the levels and see if that happens or not. I won't trade, but if I had to, then I would trade 500 break of structure. We will do a paper trade just to see. JPY 5-minute break of structure paper. And for gold, gold is just going crazy. Like, look at this move from here to here, almost in weekly. Let's see. Gold is like, what to say now? It has almost 1.5x in 2 years, less than 2 years. It is a very, very steep move. If I had to, then I would have looked for reversals in this year. But till the trend bends, we will go with the trend. Right now, today it is very bullish, so we will do what the market says, not what we planned. 4 hour bullish continuous candle. No low has been taken out yet in hourly. I don't think. Okay, so this is a good thing. It was sideways all day. This gap is still pending. That's what I'm worried about. But overall, it was sideways all day. Then gave a breakout. In hourly, it was sideways over here. Now gave a breakout. Retest of the order block. So technically, it is bullish, and these candles are also strong. This FEG is also good if it retest. 5 minute order block. Nice. Okay, so this is a strong candle. Okay, this is a good selling point. So if this doesn't hold, then it is still bullish. So we want a break of this level. Maybe not in 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute zone breakdown. A good 1 minute breakout or a 3 minute breakout for the upside. And I will go 2/3 quantity because it has stretched a little. XAU, I don't know. Should I? As the chart, let's go with the trend. Full quantity, 1 3 minute break of structure. And last but not the least, gold, NQ chart, same, it's just the opposite of gold, gap down. I don't know if there what happened last week. I didn't trade yesterday, so I don't know why this gap down, but it is bearish. Breakdown of this level. I'm not yet 4 hour bearish, very good. This is the order block which got retested, so it is bearish. And hourly looking good because these candles were strong. Three candle only took out the strength of two candles. So the sell side, this 1 2 candle, it took 1 2 3 candles and still didn't take out this high. So it is bearish. It is a good thing. We also have a pullback in smaller time frame. We have a breakout structure. This was a very good place to. This was the first pullback. This green candle. This was a good place for entry. And right now it is in the zone. That's a good thing. Already gave a breakdown. I would have entered over here, but session. I think it will go very fast as soon as the session opens. But we have to follow our plans. This is already at a very good level to sell. I would have sold it over here, keep a SL on the highs. This has already given the zone breakdown. I think it will fall. Okay, nice. So good that we are waiting for a session. What we want is, okay, good. We have a manipulation. This, it might go very fast, so I would be prefer. I won't wait for the candle closing, but below this level we can sell. So sell NQ 1 minute breakout structure. Don't wait. So I will go. I won't hold back. If it starts moving fast, then I will keep the SL at the high wherever it is. And yeah, that's the plan. Let's see. While there is still 1 minute, let me check AUD also. I don't trade AUD because the data shows it's not a good thing. I don't have enough data, but I'll leave it. We don't have much time. Let's stick to the plan. Good. If now it gives a breakdown, then it's a good manipulation. 35 pips SL. Let's see. Okay. Gold. What is the plan? 1 minute or 3 minute break of structure already given. So what we can do is retest of the zone and 1 minute break of structure, and I can enter in gold. Okay. Okay, we are ready. Gold, it will move without a retracement. Where's gold? Okay, that is the retracement. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, okay. It is in the order block, so I'm entering. SL is, it might take out the SL, fine. So, okay, we are wrong about the trend. So I've only taken entry in gold, which is gonna hit SL any second. Not yet. Chart, okay, so I got stopped out. The chart is lagging over here. I don't know why. Mm. One SL in gold. No NQ euro. We are bearish, which is giving a breakdown. So I will take a trade in euro. Okay, the SL got a little bigger. Fine. How much bigger? 0.16. I have to go. I have to reduce. Fine. Gold, we hit SL in gold. Well, I didn't enter at the. This was a good place to enter with a small SL, so I took that FVG as entry over here. My concept is for a breakout, but fine. It was a no, it wasn't a very good trade, and NQ went up, so it doesn't matter for anymore. And JPY, we are not okay. So if I had to trade JPY, we will do a paper trade. What was the plan? 500 breakout structure. Yeah, we can enter over here. Paper trade in JPY. SL over here. Euro, I took a trade in euro. 1 minute breakout structure. It might sweep then continue, but we followed our plan, so fine. And what about GBP? There is still room for GBP to go down. So this is an important level. Unless it breaks, we won't take a trade. Might lose our account today, but fine. We'll let the probability decide what happens. So the plan is this is the open trade, and we don't have any other pair because chip US NQ went up, so we are not trading that, and we hit SL in gold, so we are done with this. So we and JPY we did a paper trade. So these are the open position. Open position is one. If this gives a breakdown, then I will enter in GBP also, and I will update my M2M in the end. So let's do the magic trick to update the. Okay, let's go to the result. Okay, so account gone. SL in euro as like there was only $20 to $30 left if I would have gone with $50 SL. So I went with all quantity because $30 is not useful because I take 3 trades. So if I would have saved $30, then it doesn't make sense. So I went with full quantity. It was a very good trade. I have no regrets with the trade. You can see the hourly breakdown was there, then 15-minute breakdown was there, 5-minute breakdown which we wanted. Here I was very confirm. Yes, the momentum wasn't that good, but technically it gave a good breakdown, and this pattern I really bet on this pattern. You can see this zone breakdown over here, and the best part over here was 1 second. This is my favorite pattern. Yes, as per probability it won't work every time, but this is a very good. This pattern is a very good pattern which I traded, and we also saw the same pattern in 1 minute over here. You can see it created a zone, and you can see this pattern over here, same as that, and it also gave us. So this was a very high probability trade. Actually, we don't get these types of trade anytime soon. So this was a very good trade. The irony is one of the best setup as the demise of the account, but fine. We have the plan. We are going high stakes with 1% risk, 3% daily risk. So far, it hasn't paid off, but fine. Good that we have the losing streak. Then we will also have the winning streaks, and in that winning streak, we will pass our account. So yeah, that's it for today. Our account is gone. We are negative 10%, and see you tomorrow with a new account. Bye.